Here's a quick hack for that little grate on the pellet box, having to stick a stick down to move your pellets around. And as long as you don't have any little kids running around getting in your box, this is an easy hack to make things a little easier. So basically, we just loosened up the back screw, took out the side screw on both sides. These two screws we took out, put a couple of nuts on, and now I can raise the grate up enough to get in your pellets and move them, or empty them. When you empty them, you can reach in and empty them. Of course, make sure that your pellet grill is off, and I guess if you stick your fingers in there, you may win the Darwin Award. Anyway, that's a quick fix on how to eliminate moving your pellets around with that grate there. Hope you like that.